Today, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free using the official authorized installer directly from Adobe, available for both Mac and PC. This ensures you get the latest version, 100% virus-free. First, go to the link I've placed right at the top of the description below. That is the direct, official link to Adobe's authorized download page. Using this link guarantees you are on the secure server and not a copycat site, helping you feel safe and confident in the process. Once you click that link, you'll land on the official After Effects page. Look for the Start Free Trial button. Adobe handles its downloads through a trial system first. This gives you full, unrestricted access to the software for 7 days without paying anything today. Select the individual plan and click Continue. Now, you'll need to create a secure Adobe ID or sign in with Google or Apple. To verify you are a real person and authorize the download, they will ask for a payment method. Don't worry, you are not being charged right now. You will see the total is $0. Pro tip: set a reminder on your phone for 6 days from now. That way, if you decide you don't want to keep using it after the trial, you can cancel with one click and never pay a cent, giving you peace of mind and control over your decision. Once your account is verified, the site will automatically download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is Adobe's official app manager for all their software. Install that app, log in, and find After Effects. Click Install to ensure you get the latest, safe files directly from Adobe. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes because it's a powerful program. Once the loading bar finishes, click, and there you go. You have the fully authorized, industry-standard version of After Effects running on your machine. Now you can start creating visual effects without worrying about crashing your computer due to corrupted files. Again, the secure link is in the description to get you started. If this guide saved you some time and kept your computer safe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more safe software guides. Thanks for watching and happy editing.